Welcome to PPK Pharma tutorial. In this video, we can discuss about cell death, uh, metabolic and respiratory acidosis and alkalosis. Before watching this video, please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon through which our videos will be notified to you, and share this video to your friends. Okay, now we'll go inside this video. Cell death means inability of a cell to carry out its normal function. Cell death, we can say, when the cell is unable to carry out its normal function, then it is said to be cell death. Now we will see acidosis and alkalosis. What is acidosis? The name it consists of, from the name we can say it is an acid. It is a condition in which higher levels of acids are found in the tissue. Means when there is a higher levels or accumulation of acids in the tissues, then it is known as human tissues, then it is known as acidosis. This condition occurs generally when kidney and lung fail to work properly. Means this acidosis process or this acidosis of the tissue occurs when will be a kidney or lung failure. Okay, the kidney and lung unable to perform its normal function, then it leads to acidosis. Okay, now we will see what is alkalosis. The condition in which higher levels of alkali are found in the tissues, then it is known as alkalosis. Higher levels of alkali found in tissues, so it known as alkalosis. Accumulation of acids and loss of bases leads to the increase in the concentration of ions, so pH will be decreases. It leads to acidosis condition. Here you can see the pH scale. Here the neutral is 7.4. This 1, 2, 3 is the acids, whereas more than 7 it's said to be bases. So accumulation of acids, loss of bases results concentration of H plus ions increases due to acidosis. And alkalosis we will see here, pH rises, it results in alkalosis. As we said, pH rises, alkalosis. It occurs due to decreasing the concentration of H plus ions and loss of acids and accumulation of bases. These are the conditions of alkalosis and these are the conditions of acidosis. Now we will see the metabolic acidosis. Metabolic acidosis, due to which pH decreases, which result in the deficiency of carbonium ion, it results in metabolic acidosis. Means deficiency of carbonium ion results metabolic acidosis. Why this deficiency occurs? Bicarbonate ion deficiency occurs due to decrease in the concentration of bicarbonate in blood when the drop level is below 22 mmHg. Why it occurs means loss of bicarbonate through diarrhea when renal dysfunction, and also accumulation of ketones, lactic acids, and also failure to kidney to excrete H plus ions, and also formation of excess quantity of metabolic acids in the body, and also loss of effective alkali from the body, and also intravenous administration of metabolic acids, and also poison like acidic poisons like acetate salicylate results in the metabolic acidosis. Here's the reasons. First reason is kidney failure to excrete H plus ions, and also metabolic acid quantity formation is more, and also loss of alkali, intravenous administration, acids, acid poisoning, and also for compensation of metabolic acids, acidosis, what will happen? Metabolic acidosis can be decreased by increasing the respiratory system. By increasing respiratory or increasing ventilation results in the decreasing metabolic acidosis, and also regular excretion of H plus if possible. Here is unable to, we can see now, here we can see unable to excrete H plus ion. If possible, if renal excretion occurs, then metabolic acidosis will be decreased. Next, mechanism how metabolic acidosis occurs. pH will be decreased by increasing the respiration. Okay, due to decrease in the PCO2 to carbonium ion, when it comes pH will become backwards normal. Okay, this PO2 will be converted into carbonium ion, so pH will be normal. This is the overall mechanism. pH will be decreased by increasing respiration. Okay, now metabolic alkalosis. It occurs when bicarbonate ions are excess. Okay, it's quite opposite to metabolic acidosis. Here bicarbonate ions are excess in blood more than 26 mmHg. It causes why it bicarbonate ions are excess. What's the reason? Means excess vomiting. Due to vomiting, loss of stomach acid result in more carbonium ion formation. Excess use of alkalic drugs, diuretic drugs, and also endocrine disorders, heavy ingestion of antacids. Overuse of antacids also leads to metabolic alkalosis. For this compensation, the most commonly occur with renal function. Means through renal function we can compensate the metabolic alkalosis. The symptoms is respiration is low, shallow depletion of electrolytes. These are the metabolic acidosis symptoms. Next, we will see the respiratory acidosis. Respiratory acidosis occurs when carbonic acids are excess. It is caused by blood level of carbon dioxide above 45 mmHg. It results to respiratory acidosis. It's also a condition called hypercapnia, means high levels of PCO2 in blood. Okay, and the high levels of PCO2 in blood results in hypercapnia, which results in respiratory acidosis. Respiratory acidosis occurs in two conditions. One is chronic condition, another one is acute condition. In chronic condition, depression of respiratory center in brain that control breathing rate. We know that brain contains respiratory center which regulates the respiratory function. So if this center undergoes depression by trauma or heavy use of drugs, it results in respiratory acidosis. And also paralyzed respiratory, asthma, emphysema. These are the diseases which results in depression of respiratory center in brain, which alternatively lead to respiratory acidosis. This is the chronic condition. In acute condition, adult respiratory distress syndrome, pulmonary edema, and pneumothorax. These are the conditions for acute conditions. Next, we will see for compensation for elimination of hydrogen ions. Okay, for compensation of respiratory acidosis. Here you can see for compensation, kidney eliminates hydrogen ion and retains carbonate ions. Signs breathlessness, restlessness. This is the compensation of respiratory acidosis. Now, how it occurs we will see. pH will be decreased by increasing H plus ions. So, this by increasing H plus ions, they will form with this H plus ion reacts with HCO3 and forms an H2CO3, which will be further dissociated into CO2 and H2O. So the pH comes to normal level. This is the mechanism when respiratory acidosis occurs in our body. Respiratory alkalosis means it is the deficiency of carbonic acid. When PCO2 level is less than 36 mmHg, it is known as hypocapnia. It is quite opposite to respiratory alkalosis. The conditions is acid-base imbalance, hyperventilation, hysteria, hypopatria at high altitudes, hepatic failure, and meningitis. Conditions that stimulate respiratory center. As we know, the respiratory acidosis occurs due to depression of respiratory center which is present in the brain. But what are the conditions which stimulate the depression center into active? Stimulates the respiratory center is when O2 decreases at high altitude, the respiratory center will be stimulated. Next, pulmonary diseases and congestive heart failure, acute anxiety, fever, anemia. These are the conditions which stimulate respiratory center. Next, compensation for respiratory alkalosis by renal system. How means kidney conserves H plus ions and excrete bicarbonate ion which decreases the respiratory alkalosis. Means kidney will excrete more amount of H plus ions and excrete bicarbonate ions. This is the overall respiratory acidosis, metabolic acidosis, and metabolic alkalosis and respiratory alkalosis, and also cell death. If you have any doubt, comment me, I will clarify you. And if you want any video and comment, I will make video for you. Thanks for watching and share this video to your friends. It will be available good material for exams. You can score high marks in exams. Thank you to all and subscribe my channel PPK Pharma Tutorial. Once again, thank you to all and like this video. Jai Hind.